Today, um, IBPS clerks results have also been announced, and I congratulate those people who have come out successful. I'm really happy that you have cleared the written test and you are going to the interview. I hope you must be aware of the videos I have posted in YouTube. 5 videos I have posted. First one was general introduction about the interviews, and other say videos contain other aspects, various other aspects that were asked from time to time by students. Today I'll be discussing about the role of branch managers in bank branches. A few candidates have asked about what is the role of a branch manager. I'm sure all of you have accounts with a bank, and mostly it may be a savings bank account, and you must have visited the bank branch, and you might have seen what are the responsibilities is discharging. A branch manager is overall responsible for the functioning of the bank branch, and the bank branches have been divided into different grades. Some branches are headed by say scale 1 officers, some branches are headed by scale 2 officers, some branches are headed by scale 3 senior managers, some branches are headed by scale 4 chief managers, and some branches are headed by scale 5 assistant general managers. A few branches are headed by deputy general managers, also of the rank of scale 6. Now, overall, the responsibility of branch manager is same, that he is responsible for whatever is happening in that bank branch. Number one, he is responsible for achieving the targets bank branch deposits announced for the bank branch. He must be able to achieve it. He must try to get deposits, say in savings bank, current account, fixed deposit, and all other types of deposits. And to that extent, he must be able to plan campaigns, special campaigns or weeks he has to arrange so that he gets new customers and he makes a lot of deposits. Even today, I had opportunity to meet a branch manager of a bank branch, and he was telling that the present day targets given are very high, and one has to take extra efforts to achieve them. So number one, a bank branch manager is responsible for achievement of deposit targets set for the branch. The second aspect of the bank branch manager is he is responsible for the advances, the quality of advances made by him at the bank branch. So it is for him to see that all the norms are followed in the matter of disbursement of bank advances, and of course he will be having officers and others to help him, who will help him in taking documents. The loans can range from simple loans like a loan on deposits or overdraft on deposits, or it can be say jewel loans, or it can be common advances like say consumer loan, car loan, housing loan, etc. The branch manager may also get proposals for financing industries, for starting of a new industry, and for further helping a new industry. Whenever an industry is started where you require money on a long-term basis, bank branches give in terms of term loan, repayable in installments. And for the day-to-day requirements, working capital is given by the bank branches. So the branch manager is responsible for sanction of the advances. Though the advances are sanctioned by his higher authority, and the branch manager is responsible for the documentation being correct, and the document should be alive. You know, DPN is valid only for 3 years, and within those 3 years, the bank must be able to take legal action. Once the 3 years period is over, the documents will get lapsed and he will not be able to proceed legally. And for such cases, the branch manager is held responsible. So I have told you about the responsibility of the branch manager for deposits as well as the advances. The branch manager is also responsible for allocation of responsibilities to all the officers and also the clerical staff. And of course, He will have his senior managers or sub manager who will assist him, but the overall responsibility rests on the branch manager. And the work allocation, job rotation, etc. has to be done in bank branches. Normally, people are rotated in their seats once in 6 months. Then a bank branch manager is responsible for housekeeping. By housekeeping, we do not mean not only say maintenance of neatness and all that, but the account should be maintained neatly. The bank books should tally. Though it is computerized, we do find instances where books are not balancing due to very many reasons. And the responsibility is rests with the bank branch manager. Bank branch manager is the responsible person. And nowadays you have a lot of problems regarding ATMs also. ATM reconciliation is also another problem. A bank branch manager is responsible for reconciliation of the bank accounts with other banks, for example State Bank of India. So all those things have to be taken care of by the bank branch manager, and he is responsible that the depositors are not paid more or less. Similarly, he is responsible for collection of interest from the calculation of interest in respect of loans and advances. Then apart from housekeeping, what else is responsible? A branch manager is responsible for overall upkeep of the branch and better image building of the bank branch. In the in the particular area, the bank branch must be able to command respect, and that responsibility is vested with the branch manager. Apart from that, it is the duty of the branch manager to see that he motivates the employees so that they perform better, and the group is able to achieve the target. So these are some of the major responsibilities of branch managers. And you may also think of what are the other steps that he can take, like say innovation in say various schemes that the bank branches can introduce, etc. In fact, some bank branches, they do celebrate Navratri, that 9 days, that Navratri festival and other festivals that are locally important, so that they invite more participation from the customers. And the branch manager is also responsible for conducting customers meet periodically. He must conduct customers meet periodically so that the customers' grievances are found out and their grievances are sorted out. So these are some of the responsibilities of a branch manager. Now, another question has been asked is about what are the problems customers face in banks. Then you yourself must be able to tell what are the responsibility, what are the problems the customers are facing. The first and foremost problem in my view is say the reception being not good in some bank branches. Say some bank branches, the branch people must be willing to invite them. They give them a seat and take care of their needs. So reception is one. Number two, attending to their needs then and there immediately. So that is also another problem the branch customers are facing. Apart from, customers do face a lot of problem in respect of say the advances. Whenever a branch manager is approached for advances, and if you do not grant them immediately, they do not take decision. So decision making being delayed is one problem that is faced by the customers. And apart from that, what I can think of, certain standing instructions being given to the bank branches, they are being not carried out. But nowadays this problem may not arise because it is all computerized. But here again, if in the first time the computerization, if there is some problem, that problem will continue to go. So that aspect also has to be taken care of. And say these are some of the basic problems faced by customers. Invariably, problems means the customers will tell that they are not getting bank advances properly as and when they want. This is one thing they normally tell about. These are some of the points I thought I can tell you about the problems customers face in a bank branch.